Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Today I will compare two different smartwatches. Design, screen size, thickness, height, width, type, resolution, watt-hour of depth rating, water resistant, pixel density, is dustproof and water resistant, sweat resistance, watch band is replaceable, sensors, heart rate monitor, barometer, accelerometer, activity, tracks your sleep, tracks distance, measures pace, connectivity, Bluetooth version, has NFC, syncs wirelessly, battery, battery power, battery life, has wireless charging, has a battery level indicator, has a rechargeable battery. More. Locates your phone. Has call control. Price. Show. Thanks for watching.